Are you looking for the best TV stands? In this video we will look at some of the best TV stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. A Merrywood Home Carson TV Stand. The Carson by Ameriwood is a mix of classical and modern design with a stunning wood panel design that's available in cherry, black, espresso, and a more ostentatious weathered oak. Beneath the TV level itself are 3 sturdy shelves with plenty of space to hold all of your games and other accessories you keep in your living room. 2 spacious cabinets round out the total package. These shelves can varyingly hold up to 40, 30, and 20 pounds at a time, so customers with bulkier and older components like dedicated speaker systems can rest easy knowing they'll be stable and secure. Elevate your entertainment space with the great-looking contemporary Ameriwood Home Carson TV stand with options designed to accommodate 50-inch to 70 flat-screen TVs up to 135 pounds. This TV stand creates a sleek and stylish showcase for your home theater system. The Carson allows you to run wires easily and neatly through the large wire management holes in the back of the unit to keep all your components tangle-free. The clean lines of this TV stand and the matte black finish with silver metal accents makes this piece stand out in any room. Number 2. Furniture AZ58XP's TV Stand. Simplicity is the name of the game regarding this mid-century modern TV stand from Furniture. If you want an unostentatious TV cabinet for your living room, this is one of the best models you'll find. The holes built right in are understated, but provide you with excellent cable management options, and this squat and sturdy TV stand is able to store up to 250 pounds including your TV, video game console, and anything else. You'll fall in love with the understated design, which is simplistic enough to suit just about any aesthetic vibe you're trying to give off. Display your TV in style with this 58-inch TV stand crafted from high-grade MDF with a durable laminate finish for a rich, textured surface. This storage console features 2 adjustable shelves on both sides for anything from your electronics to your home decor. With a cord management port at the back of each shelving space, you'll never have to worry about a tangled mess of wires as it'll keep them organized. This entertainment center mixes a traditional style with the on-trend rustic farmhouse look with its simple design, and will be a classic piece to your living room. This media stand will accommodate most flat-panel TVs up to 60 inches. Number 3. Convenience Concepts Designs 2 Go. This TV stand by Convenience Concepts is the best of the best if you prefer minimalist designs. With its simple black shelves and stainless steel support posts, this TV stand is going to stand out in a home that leans towards more modern sensibilities. But the fact that it doesn't come with shelves means this television stand is best suited to customers who have a minimal amount of gaming consoles, cable boxes, and other accessories. Assembly of this black TV stand is one of the best and simplest processes around and can be completed without the need for any tools. The Designs 2 Go 3-tier wide TV stand is the perfect complement to any living room decor. Featuring an open modern design that allows for easy cable management. Also featuring 3 spacious shelves that will give you plenty of room for all of your media components. Maximum TV size 42 inches. Maximum TV weight 100 pounds. Number 4. Furinno 14055EX Econ TV Stand. Furinno's best TV stand is also one of the most stylish television stands available. It combines the best elements of minimalism of the Convenience Concepts model with a moody espresso surface, adjustable shelves, and 2 hidden drawers. It's easily one of the best television stands around if you want to keep a sleek and minimalist design, while still having plenty of place to store your console and your video games. The storage shelves themselves are open-ended, providing you with one of the best options for organizing your cables neatly, and the whole TV stand is constructed from a combination of composite wood and particle board. Furinno Econ Living Set TV Stand Entertainment Center fits into your modern stylish lifestyle. There are 2 adjustable shelves to hold audio-video equipment and 2 concealed storage space with closed door. It is easy to assemble, lightweight and space-saving. The materials comply with E1 grade particle board for furniture. There is no foul smell of chemicals, durable, and it is the most stable particle board used to make furniture. All the products are produced and assembled 100% in Malaysia. Care instructions: wipe clean with clean damped cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals. Number 5. Zinus Garrison TV Media Stand. The Zinus Garrison is a clean and understated model that could work just as well as a coffee table for your living room. Consisting of a simple 2 shelves on a metal wire frame, this is easily the most minimalist model we've spotlighted on our list. But it's a lot sturdier than it looks. The hardy frame promises a weight capacity of up to 100 pounds, and the wood grain finish is incredibly easy to clean. It's the best choice available for those looking to strip their room down to the basic essentials, and it can hold TVs up to 60-inch. The Garrison 40-inch media stand/table is functional for many purposes in your main living space. It can accommodate a larger TV and includes an additional lower shelf for accessory and gaming storage. The sturdy, black square steel tubing and high-density panel with red mahogany wood grain finish will add an elegant touch to any decor. Easy to assemble. Worry-free limited 1-year warranty.